Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to the new episode of the Medina Arabic short tutorial series for Book 1. This is part 2 of lesson 16. We will continue from where we left off last time to keep practicing the rule that we learned about the treatment of Jam'u Ghayr al-Aqil, the plural of irrational. Note here that the Arabic term Ghayr al-Aqili is mudaf and mudaf ilayh combination. The ism Ghayru carries the meaning of not. It is coming as mudaf, and al-aqili is mudaf ilayh majroor. With the addition of the ism jam'u in jam'u ghayr al-aqili, we get a pair of chained idafa. Jam'u is the first mudaf, and the ism ghayri becomes majroor because it is mudaf ilayh to jam'u now. Ghayri is also functioning as mudaf, and al-aqili is its mudaf ilayh. Last time we stopped in part 12 of exercise 2 on page 93. We will continue from there. The given sentence is هذا دفتر. This is a notebook. The plural of دفتر is دفاتر. It follows a new pattern مفاعل. As you may have noticed, this pattern مفاعل has 4 consonants. The 3 base letters fa, ayn, and lam that we know about are not enough to describe this pattern. Therefore, another consonant mim is used at the beginning to describe this pattern mafa'ilu. The easiest way to learn this new pattern is to remember the word masajidu, which is the plural of masjidun. Most of us are familiar with masajidu. If you know the word masajidu, now you know that it follows mafa'ilu pattern of the broken plurals. Another quick note about this pattern. Mafa'ilu ends with a dhamma in nakira and marfu' state. In other words, it does not accept tanween. That is because the broken plurals of this pattern such as dafatiru and masajidu are diptos, which we called mamnu' min as-sarf in Arabic. If you don't remember diptos, please check out our video for lesson 9 and part 2 of book 1, where we introduced it. We also talked about a few other broken plural patterns falling into diptote category in lesson 13 and parts 4 and 8. We will talk more about diptotes at the end of this book insha'Allah. Getting back to the exercise, the plural version of the sentence will be هذه دفاتر. These are notebooks. هذه دفاتر. Sentence 13. هذا مكتب. This is a desk. The plural of مكتب is also on مفاعل pattern. It is مكاتب. Let's now write the plural version. هذه مكاتب. These are desks. هذه مكاتب. Sentence 14. هذا فندق. This is a hotel. هذا فندق. فندق means a hotel. Its plural is فنادق, which is also on مفاعل pattern. How do we say these are hotels? It should be هذه فنادق. Very good. هذه فنادق. Sentence 15. هذه ساعة. This is a watch. The plural of ساعة is ساعات. ساعات. It is a sound plural which we call جمع المؤنث السالم. Because ساعة is غير العاقل, we keep using هذه for the plural version of the sentence and say هذه ساعات. These are watches. هذه ساعات. Sentence 16. هذه سيارة. This is a car. The plural of سيارة is جمع المؤنث السالم, which is سيارات. In plural, the جملة will be هذه سيارات. These are cars. هذه سيارات. Sentence 17. هذه طائرة. This is a plane. هذه طائرة. This is another مؤنث اسم that has a sound plural, which is طائرات. طائرات. So in Arabic, these are planes will be هذه طائرات. The next sentence involves the اسم الإشارة ذلك. ذلك نجم. that is a star. The plural of najmun is nujumun, as we saw in the beginning of this exercise in the previous episode. How do we say those are stars? Keep in mind, we should treat najmun as mu'annath mufrad, since it is ghayrul aqil. So in plural, we will use the ismul ishara tilka and say tilka nujumun. Those are stars. Tilka nujumun. And the final sentence. Tilka sayyaratun. That is a car. We are using tilka for sayyaratun because it is mu'annath ism. For al-jam', we still use tilka and say tilka sayyaratun. Those are cars. Tilka sayyaratun. That is the end of exercise 2. Let's mark it complete and move on to the next exercise. In exercise 3 on page 94, we need to use the proper ismul ishara lil qarib to make it a simple ismiya sentence. We can either use hada or hadihi or haula'i. The first sentence is about rajulun, a man. We should use hada with rajulun. Our sentence is hada rajulun. This is a man. Sentence 2 ends with rijalun, which is the plural of rajulun. Because it is aqil ism, we will use the plural ismul ishara haula'i. So the sentence is haula'i rijalun. These are men. Sentence 3 is about kalbun, a mufrad mudhakkar ism. We will write hada for the mubtada. Hada kalbun. This is a dog. Sentence 4. Kilabun, the plural of kalbun. It is jam'u ghayril aqil, irrational plural. So we should use hadihi. Hadihi kilabun means these are dogs. Sentence 5. Durusun, lessons. Another jam'u ghayril aqil. We use hadihi for the blank. Hadihi durusun means these are lessons. Hadihi durusun. Sentence 6. Mudarrisuna, teachers. Jam'ul aqil noun. Haula'i would be the right ismul ishara for this ism. Haula'i mudarrisuna. These are teachers. Sentence 7. Akhawati, my sisters. It is jam'ul aqil, rational plural. Haula'i akhawati means these are my sisters. Haula'i akhawati. For the next 10 sentences, we will give you 2 seconds to attempt on your own before showing the right answer. Feel free to pause the video if you need more time, okay? Sentence 8. Aqlamun, pens. هذه أقلام. These are pens. Sentence 9. كتاب, a book. هذا كتاب. This is a book. Sentence 10. سيارات, cars. هذه سيارات. These are cars. Sentence 11. سيارة, a car. هذه سيارة. This is a car. Sentence 12. حمار, a donkey. هذا حمار. This is a donkey. Sentence 13. كتب, books. هذه كتب. These are books. Sentence 14. حمر, donkeys. هذه حمر. These are donkeys. Sentence 15. عين, an eye. هذه عين. This is an eye. Remember, عين is a paired body part, so it is mu'annath. Sentence 16. طبيبة, a female doctor. هذه طبيبة. This is a doctor. Sentence 17. طبيبات. Female doctors. هؤلاء طبيبات. These are doctors. Very good. We finished this exercise. We will end the episode here and come back to complete the rest of the lesson in the next episode, inshallah. Until the next time, Assalamu alaikum.